Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a gateway email campaign for a lead or prospect in your database. To get at this, what you'll want to do is log into the IMS, find the lead that you want to set up a gateway or modify a gateway campaign for, and then go down about 3/4 of the way and you'll see a red dot and it'll say gateway. This is the tab you want to click on in order to set up a gateway program, automated email program for Chris Jones. Once you open it up, you can scroll down, enable initial gateway email. You can read that and it tells you whether you want to have text involved in that first email or not. But as you can see, we don't have any campaigns running or set up for this particular lead. That's why it's a red dot. If you want to create a new one, you click on the link Create New Campaigns, open it up. We'll name this 3-bedroom Carmel. End date is out, I forget how many years it would be. Let's see, 3, 4, 5 years out, I believe, is the end date on this particular campaign. You want it to run daily. You don't want to pause it, and you only want to send properties with photos. That's an option. So you click OK. You can see we have a campaign set up, 3-bedroom in Carmel, with a start date of now and an end date 5 years later. You can see this little caution mark. We don't have any criteria added to this gateway campaign yet. So we want to click the View Edit. It's going to open up a box that's going to allow us to add criteria to this campaign. So let's say that this lead, I'm going to only send between 200,000 and 300,000 in the city of Carmel. So if any property hits the market between $200,000 and $300,000 in the city of Carmel, Indiana, when a new property hits the market, we're going to blast out a gateway email to this lead saying, hey, look, there's a new property that matches your criteria. Thought it might be right up your alley. You might want to check it out. You want to make sure you save the criteria. And then you can also go in here and calculate the number of properties that match that criteria. There's 73 on the market right now. Now remember, Gateway only sends out new properties that hit the market. So this client will not see those 73 properties that's already on the market. It'll only include, these emails will only include, property 74, 75, and onward when they get listed. But let's say you want to send an initial email to this lead. You could select a few of these properties that match that criteria and then add a personal message for an email, blah, blah, blah. And remember that your standard signature will be displayed after the message. So you don't need to enter a signature after you enter text right here. And then you click Send Email. And that's going to send him a very nicely formatted email with these two properties in it. And when any properties hit the market that match that criteria moving forward, those properties will get emailed to him that day. So, or it'll be either that day or the day after. Our program updates this once a day, so we'll keep them informed. But as you can see, there's a lot of different criteria that you can set up for a gateway campaign. Some of these have a plus mark where you can actually open it up and select different criteria and delete the criteria. But that's basically how you get to it. You always want to remember to hit save in this particular area. And then you can close the window. And now you have a green dot up next to Gateway. You have a campaign set up for this particular lead. And in the future, every time this program runs and it sends an email with properties to this lead, there's going to be a list right down here of all the emails that we sent It'll show you a list of the properties included in that email, along with if that client ever clicked on one of those properties from the email to our public website. So if you have any more questions about setting up a gateway campaign, please talk to your manager, but it's a pretty simple process. Hope you all have a great day. Thank you.